Hey guys, good evening. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we have just finished up our sodding and mulch job on Oxford Circle in Macon, Georgia. This is some zoysia from Super Sod. Got our mulch beds pulled down, everything nice and tight. 125 by 125 foot yard. This is a lot of work. The guys pulled it off very nicely. Very happy with this. Got a nice serpentine bed. We watered it continuously as we were working. Lucked out. We've got 3 or 4 days of really good rain in front of us. The client has her own sprinkler company. They're going to be coming in. But if you recall, that's what we started out with. Just a bunch of scrub trees, overgrown woods. Went almost right up to the house. Completely changes the way the house looks. Got a really nice grade on everything. Could not be any happier with it. Bed's pulled out really nice. We like doing this design. It's easier for the grass guys. It keeps string trimmers off of the nice fence. Discourages dogs from digging. Gives you a nice border for plantings. This is a great backyard. She's got a new grandson, so it's going to be a good spot for them to play. Cleaned up this peninsula here. This was really a mess, just completely overgrown. Kind of a bug and snake hazard, but not anymore. We've got a nice bed here. Tied it into the good existing grass in that corner. There's no need to pull that out. Collected all our rocks that were buried. Guys made a nice rock border. Reuse what's there. And that's a job well done. So if we can help you out with your exterior projects, land clearing, grading, sod installation, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Love to come help you out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a great weekend.